What is 50? What is 50?
You'll forget me, I know.
No, no.
And it'll be like, oh, I'm being offensive.
No? No?
You didn't
Not
ask
in
me
India?
that.
Huh?
You didn't
Where
ask
is
me
where? They welcome outsiders. Like
Right.
the people who don't know Kannada and all.
Yeah, sannyas banne.
संन्यास बनना ये बराबर मेरा घर इधर है मेरा घर
I guess this is how the story goes.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video.
Alright, folks. So now I'm in MG Road. Came here with my cousins to experience good coffee and to get a feel of the weekend. So good old Jay, and this is my cousin Karan.
Hi.
This is Pooja. This is his wife, and they're from Mumbai. And I have a lot to talk about Karan in general. So we'll take it step by step. So now, how are you enjoying Bangalore so far?
It is excellent. It is excellent. This is a nice place, and I have been here for the first time. And anytime I visit Bangalore, I will make sure I will crash this place.
You
for
should.
Sure.
You
Yeah,
should.
I'm very sure.
And you should shift to Bangalore, Karan. It's been a long.
Let's see. Let me find a good job.
You will. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's manifest.
You will manage. Yes. Manifestation work. And this is Jay. First, you'll find a good job.
Hello there.
And then you'll find a house.
Sure.
So yeah, so we just had a coffee and Third Wave coffee, and I made him try the orange zest mocha, which is my go-to coffee. And what do you think?
It was excellent. This was the first time I was having it.
Okay.
It was excellent.
We can try it again.
It was
Next up, we want to take a walk towards Brigade Road, and we'll go to there's a Samsung hub.
Yeah.
We can also check that out. So yeah, we'll just walk around, see where the day takes us, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, she.
Classic example of being a kid, even though you're supposed to be an adult.
Say no to doing things. Success is like liking.
He's a Taylor Swift fan. Can you believe it? Look at him. Looks like.
I like Taylor Swift, not a fan. You can listen to a couple of songs in it.
Nowadays.
Not a Swiftie. Not a Swiftie. Not a Swiftie.
That's what they all say when put on spot.
Music. This looks good. Can't say no. This.
In a world full of bruises, be a sunflower.
Hey, look at this. 25 दिन में पैसा double.
वो 25 दिन के लिए भी पैसा रहना चाहिए ना. वो 25 दिन के लिए भी पैसा नहीं है हमारे पास.
So, what would you say is the best part about Bangalore for you?
The best part about Bangalore in terms of weather, then it is weather. Then it is just somehow with Mumbai. Okay, the crowd. It's a mixed crowd.
Okay.
Not just one-sided.
Yeah.
And I'm not being racist. I'm just generalizing it.
Okay.
And like people are pretty chilled.
Yeah.
Like they welcome outsiders. Like
Right.
the people who don't know Kannada and all.
Yeah.
Like though there are like very norms that.
Very well put. Very well put. Yeah.
But I never faced it. Okay. And being from Maharashtra, even I have heard much things about Marathi and all, but I don't see that as a challenge.
Super crowded, by the way.
जाने का था इसे कपड़ों में मत डाल देना. वन ऑफ मेनी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, these. How much?
Can I buy two?
Yeah, but then separately, please.
They're not for you, is it?
One is for me, the other one is for my friend.
I see. Tell your friend to subscribe.
I got this also.
What was that? It is not enough knowing. You should subscribe as well.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
How much?
520.
No, but 260 is what you said, right? Discount.
540. I said 540. 270 my money is.
You said 260, then discount was 250, right?
I told 270, 260, 520.
520.
500.
This is
Wait,
the
wait, wait.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm paying.
How much? 570.
500.
500.
500.
520, sir. Not like
520.
So I'll get only 10%. Not that much.
But then we'll come again, no? Since we liked your stuff.
Ma'am,
Bhavana.
Bhavna, you'll forget me, I know.
No. Definitely not. No.
See, you're on the vlog now. Nobody's gonna forget.
So what's your YouTube channel?
It's called Chandru's Vlogs. I can show you if you have your phone.
Yeah. So please whatever.
So very proud to say that we are inching close towards 100 subscribers because I'm shamelessly going around asking people to subscribe. Every chance I get, you have to mark it. Otherwise, they don't subscribe for some reason. So any of you watching this, it's not really a hard work or too much to just click on that red button. It just feels good to see that subscriber count go up. And I don't think it's too much to ask, honestly saying. Please subscribe.
Okay.
They are like genie. We are like walking forward because we want to go to UB City. And I just turned back to see, oh my god, the couple is missing. And if I go near the couple and say, hey, let's hurry up, then it'll be like, oh, I'm being offensive. So, hi guys. Honestly, weather is amazing now. I want to show them UB City in this amazing cool weather, but I guess it's too much to ask. Well, I do get the fact that they have to, purchase these things and all that. But they're from Mumbai. Okay. So, yeah, nothing that they see here is not there in Mumbai, in my defense. Yeah, but this guy is not at all enthusiastic. He's not even in the mood to entertain.
He didn't get paid.
Yeah.
He's not in the mood. He didn't get paid.
Poor guy. What happened?
He's saying love is in the air.
What is in the air? You're feeling...
No.
Okay. So we are in UB City. And boom. So Karan, I have a story to tell you guys. So back in college, I used to come here to UB City on the weekends alone. Okay. This one time there was this football screening going on, and I don't watch football. But if you enter and you give your PAN details and all, they give you free Red Bull, unlimited Red Bull supply because Red Bull was sponsoring the show. So I just walked in, grabbed like endless amounts of Red Bull, started watching the match. I didn't even know who was playing, why they were playing, and what's the goal, whatever. But I was just cheering. I just wanted to pass time. So I came at 4 p.m, left at 9 p.m. There were people like, I was cheering, right? They were asking me like, oh, you're a Manchester fan or whatnot. I said, sure. Jay, what's your deal? The last vlog you gained quite a bit of traction. People are questioning who is that weirdo, who is that Jay? And then I was like, yeah, he's my brother. He's very comfortable in front of camera.
He's a regular guest.
He's a regular guest, consistent guest who shows up all the time. My free content. Yeah. So, how do you feel now? You're comfortable with the vlog yet?
Yeah, now I'm comfortable. At starting, I was feeling awkward.
Awkward.
I was feeling awkward.
मुझे कैसे भी करके निकाल मेरे भाई मैं फंस गया हूँ यहाँ.
That's all it takes to make him awkward.
இது என்னடா feeling?
That's all it takes to make him feel awkward.
Now I'm good.
Now you're good. She was constantly shopping. And the trick I followed was mad genius. So I just told her like we have to walk a lot. It was only 850 meters away. But I know like if we walk, she'd rather shop for 1 hour and we would never make it here in time. So I just told them that it's very far. Let's take an auto. Surprisingly, they fell for it. And boom, we're here on time. Mission accomplished. I'm the winner. Just open maps and confirm if that is Chinnaswamy Stadium.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
That's my
Lucky guess?
Intuition. We won over that intuition when we chose auto when we came here. Just saying.
800 meters தான் இருக்குதுல இங்க. How did you guess?
Told you, bro. Intuition.
Lucky guess. See that light? அந்த லைட் அப்படி இதான் எனக்கு அது கிரிக்கெட் ஸ்டேடியம்ல தெரியும். அது சின்னசாமியான்னு எப்படி அவ கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணா? அதான் நான் சொல்றேன். That was a lucky guess. Where is Brahmon Stadium?
That was not the question.
Now that is the question.
Out of syllabus.
Where is Brabant Stadium? No?
You didn't ask
Not in
me
India?
that.
Huh?
You didn't ask
Where
me
is
that.
Brabant Stadium?
Let's talk
Where is
about
Wankhede Stadium?
Say in Mumbai. That's it.
Mumbai.
Okay, Okay.
Not
Nice to know.
I wouldn't have known.
Nice to know.
Intuition.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
नहीं गाली नहीं देना.
फैमिली
Intuition उसका गूगल मैप बताया वो चीज़.
No, no. उसके पहले मैंने बताया. I told you, right?
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
नहीं गाली नहीं देना.
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े हुए.
So Pooja has an interesting story to share with us.
Not at all interesting for me. You will know why.
Yeah, for him, of course. Yeah, please continue.
So I had this colleague of mine.
Okay.
His name was Karan.
Okay.
And so he reported to me, and then he was doing a different shift than me. So he didn't report to work, or he did, but then he left midway.
Okay.
So other colleague of mine, he calls me around 3 a.m.
Okay.
and I'm sleeping. He tells me, first I didn't answer, then later when I answered, he tells me, Arey Karan ran away. Karan bhag gaya. And I just checked, and I'm like, no, he's sleeping, bro.
Snoring like hell.
No, I didn't tell him this. Next time I will. So I tell him, no, he's sleeping, bro. He's like, अरे पूजा करण भाग गया. अरे जो वो सोया है. Like, अरे ये तेरा टीम का करण भाग गया.
Acha. Okay.
And I'm like, okay,
Wherever she
ठीक
goes,
है.
she gets a
Call
Karan.
him.
Even in previous company, there was Karan Sharma. Right?
Karan. But he didn't run away.
So say he was not with you when he broke this news to you. Would you been alarmed or would you have trusted?
Yeah, then I would have been.
Alarmed, is it?
हाँ.
Wow.
You?
Okay.
अच्छा कभी तुम हो नहीं ना.
This is how you drive a Rift.
अरे भाई.
जब लगेगा ना कि अरे मतलब अगर नहीं होते.
मेरा
Stress. संन्यास बनने. संन्यास बनने.
संन्यास बनने. हाँ, ये बराबर. मेरा घर इधर है. मेरा घर छोड़ के भागेगा.
अगर नहीं होता तो. नहीं होता तो.
भागता नहीं था. बस बाइक है.
बाइक पे बैठ.
भागता नहीं चला.
ओके.
ஜெய் என்னம்மா இது என்ன கொடுமை சார் இது
You have anything else other than